So I'm looking at this load board over here, okay? So the load from Cheyenne, Wyoming, going to Lewisburg, Pennsylvania, it's 45,000 pounds, okay? 1,593 miles. These motherfuckers, they want to pay $2,400, $1.51 a mile. Like, what kind of dumbass idiot would do that? You can drive empty all the way to St. Louis or Chicago and pick up the same fucking load for the same amount of money to Pennsylvania. Like, who drives these fucking loads out of here, out of Colorado? I don't get it. Like, how do you guys live here? I mean, bro, woo! What the fuck? All right, back to my rant. Before I was rudely interrupted by these fucking Indians calling me from India, offering me Medicare or whatever services, calling me that my social security number is suspended. Durka. Shut the fuck up. Anyway, what was I talking about again? Shit, hold on, let me think about it for a second. Yeah, so if you are delivering to, let's say, Colorado, Wyoming, or any other states that are crappy states, any other area that is a crappy area, you want to make sure you get paid really good. You want to make sure you get as much as if you were doing a round trip. Okay? Get as much money as you can. Do not go somewhere for $2 a month. Do not go to Denver for $2 a mile. Okay? Don't do that. You know. Alrighty, well, here we go. Just got another load. I am deadheading all the way from Aurora, Colorado to Hutchinson, Kansas. Pretty much same place that I picked up yesterday. I picked up at Cargill Salt yesterday. I'm picking up again today at Cargill Salt, but just a different location. It picks up like a couple of miles away from that original location. I am going to be working, since the pickup appointment was for 11 a.m. and there's no way I'm going to make that. But they are open till 11 p.m. and they work you in, I mean, as soon as they can. I might have to wait until 11 p.m., but I don't really care. The load is delivering tomorrow morning in Hannibal, Missouri. So yes sir, great news, let's go. Now if I was to pick up a load in Aurora or Denver, Colorado, or anywhere in Colorado, and that load was going to Hannibal, Missouri, or Quincy, Illinois, I would have gotten paid the same amount, maybe $50 more from Denver to Hannibal than I am getting paid from Hutchinson, Kansas to Hannibal, Missouri. So every time that you come here to Denver, well, every time that I come here to Denver, I deadhead to Kansas and I pick up a load and I go wherever I need to go. Sometimes I'll deadhead all the way to Kansas and pick up a load again coming over here to Denver. But I will never pick up a load in Denver to bring it back east. It's just not worth it. 95 cent a load is not getting on my fucking trailer. Never. Never, never, never. I will rather drive this fucking thing into a lake or burn it before I put that shit on my trailer. I don't give a damn. And another revenue collector for the state of Kansas. And it just keeps going and going and going. Let's go do the other one. This guy's having a hell of a time sliding his tandems and adjusting his weights. But before we go inside to pay, let's pull forward so that other drivers can come in and fuel as well. Dad, look how sweet it looks. Doesn't it look freaking sweet? Hell yeah, I think so. So I got it, bro. Okay, then I don't want that. I just want Red Bulls now. Is it just me, or was she kind of giving away a bitch-ass attitude? I don't think it's me. I really think she was giving away a bitch-ass attitude. Because I can smell a bitch-ass attitude from a mile away. Looky, looky. What do we have here? Alrighty. Well, we got her filled up. That lady, she was kind of a bitch, to be honest with you. I don't know why. Maybe it's the camera. Maybe she's camera shy. Well, if she don't want to be recorded, all she has to do is ask me nicely. All you gotta do is say, please, I don't want to be in your video. Can you please not record me? And I would have stopped. But if you tell me not to record you, I'm gonna still keep recording because you told me not to. You have to ask me to, nicely, and I'll do it. It is what it is. Alright, let's get a sip of this coffee. That's not too bad. That's not too bad. The one I got down in Texas, in Lubbock, Texas, or Lubbock, I think it's pronounced properly. I don't know. It was kind of crappy, but this one's good. But yeah, just got her filled up here at Pilot in Colby, Kansas. Fill her up all the way. So let's go. So guys, every time you're coming over here to Denver, every time you go to Denver, make sure you get paid really good. Ask him for as much as you would have asked to do a round trip, because that's pretty much what it's gonna be. Somebody's getting arrested. Well, we are back in Hutchinson, Kansas. This time it is South Hutchinson, Kansas, and we are picking up a load of salt again. Cargill again, just a different location, about 2 miles away from the other place where I picked up going to Aurora yesterday. Yes, sir. Well, actually, I am picking up at the same spot that I picked up yesterday. Yeah, so, hey, sweet. I mean, not sweet, because I'm going to be working, but hey, it is what it is. And right there, the big ass wall on the right hand side, there's a federal prison in Hutchinson, Kansas. I don't know what kind of criminals they keep here, but good luck escaping from here, buddy. I don't think that'll ever happen. Look at that big ass fucking wall, bro. It has to be what, like 20 feet at least? Yeah, at least 20, 30. Fuck. Lookout tower. Once you're in there, you're in there. here we are, Cargill in Hutchinson, Kansas. Same place I was just yesterday morning. Yes sir, picking up a load, going to General Mills in Hannibal, Missouri. Yeah buddy. Holy shit bro. Look at all these fucking trucks, man. Gonna be here for a long ass time, bro. It's alright. I'm just gonna go and take a nap. And I'm gonna stop right here. Look at all these fucking trucks here, guys. Holy shit. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna be working because the appointment was this morning for
10 a.m.
10 a.m.
Yeah, so it'll be a little bit of a wait.
Like before 11?
Before 11, yeah.
Okay. Is there a way for you guys to call me instead of text me? Because I can't hear a text message, but I can hear a phone call if I go to sleep.
Not usually because the system does it.
Mm-hmm.
But if we see that you're not moving before we skip you, we usually try to call.
Oh, okay. 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 All right, well, thank you very much. All right. Oh, well, that lady was pretty nice. Look at all these fucking trucks, bro. Yeah. Well, let's get over here. Get in line. Okay, even though there's a sweep out station right there where that truck is, between the truck and that office container or whatever, even though there's a sweep out station right there, some stupid ass drivers have decided to sweep their trailers out right here. Check it out. Like, what the fuck, guys? Come on. There could be some nails in there, whatever, metal. You run over it, you get that in your fucking steer tire, you run down the road, you kill yourself and you kill a whole family in a minivan right next to you. Because some of these dumbass motherfuckers decided to sweep their fucking trailer out in a parking lot where they're not supposed to, instead of sweeping it out right over there. There's everything. I don't get it. Now this is how I had to squeeze in here, because that jackass, he pulled out a Dock 1 and he sliding his fucking tandems right there. So I had to squeeze in all the way from up there and back it into a Dock 1. Thank you, motherfucker. Alrighty, well, we are loaded. Let's get the heck out of here. Not too bad, I'll be honest with you, man. A little bit over, about 3 hours and 20 minutes altogether since I got here. It's not bad at all for having to be worked in. There was like 11 trucks when I got here. 11 waiting. I was number 12 and they still kept coming. And I'm telling you, these guys are fast, man.
Turn right onto East Avenue G.
I love that orange on that bull hauler. Looks freaking sweet. But you know what I love even more? I love that blue right there. All right, get her done. Let's check in over here, see what they say. One truck at shipping window at a time. Stay put until the thing is open. Let's see what they say. How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Not bad, how are you?
God.
Salt.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
can I get your name, please?
So far, so good. He seems pretty nice. Let's see what happens. I hear they don't take people early. And I'm like 7 hours early. And also I hear they take forever to check in. Especially during the day. Ooh, he's going back to check the seal. Maybe even cut it. He's going back to cut the seal. Fuck yeah, bro. Ooh-wee. Yeah, buddy. Alright. He's got the seal. He's got the seal. He has it in his hand. It looks like we're getting unloaded 7 hours early, bro. You know, I say you never know until you go ahead and check. So go ahead and check every time if you can. Try to get in and out early.
All right, you got lucky.
I did?
Yeah, because your appointment wasn't until 9:30 this morning,
Okay.
but they're going to take you in. This is your copy. I need to see that copy on the way out because they got to sign you out when they're done unloading you.
Okay.
This is their copies.
Okay.
Door 1.
Door 1, right here on the left-hand side. It's gonna be pretty dang easy to get in. Yeah, buddy.
Live load. Yeah.
All right. Will I give that to you?
Yeah, I'll give it to the boss and he'll hand it over to whoever's doing it.
Okay. On the same truck.
Yeah, they'll probably they'll either ask for your keys or have you disconnect and pull up so they can put a glad hand lock on the brake line or whatever.
Alrighty. Well, we gonna go to sleep. Thank you everybody for following along on another load. Looks like I got really lucky tonight, and they're gonna unload me 7 hours early, which is freaking awesome. Have a good night, everybody. See you next time.